Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be celebrating Valentine's Day with a fun experiment that will teach us all about viscosity. For this experiment, you're going to need 3 tall see-through containers, I'm using mason jars, plastic hearts, water, clear soap, and mineral oil or baby oil. To prepare your materials, set your jars in a row on a flat surface. Then fill them up with a different clear liquid in each one. Mine contained water, baby oil, and the final jar is 3 parts water mixed with 1 part soap. Let your liquid settle for a minute and skim off any bubbles that may surface. In addition to the other materials, you will also need a stopwatch and to draw out this table so that you have somewhere to record the data that you are collecting. Now let's make a prediction. Do you think that the hearts will rain down at the same speed in each jar? Will there be a difference between the liquids? Let's start our experiment to find out. Drop your hearts one by one into each liquid and watch what happens as they fall. Make sure you have your stopwatch ready, starting it when you drop the heart and ending it whenever the heart hits the bottom of your jar. Be sure to drop at least 3 hearts into each jar and then record those speeds in your table. So now you have a chart of times, but what do you do with that data? We find the average speed of each heart, of course. So take the 3 measurements you wrote down for your first liquid and add them all together. It should look like this. Then divide that number by 3, and you now have your average speed. Do this again for the other 2 liquids. Now let's compare our results. Looking at the average speeds you calculated for each liquid, which one can you say the hearts traveled through fastest? And which one was the slowest? So why did the hearts fall at different speeds? The answer is viscosity. Viscosity is a measure of thickness of liquids and gases. A more viscous liquid, one with a higher viscosity, is thicker and harder to pour. Take honey as an example, or maple syrup. It moves out of its bottle very slowly. It's thick and viscous. Water, on the other hand, has a very low viscosity, so it moves freely and easily. Which of your liquids was the most viscous? And how do you know? Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see more fun videos, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. For more information about Caesar, go to our website listed below.